This video provides an overview of 100 landscaping ideas for a country house. It covers a range of design options, from simple and inexpensive to more complex and costly solutions. It also offers tips on how to create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space that will enhance the overall look of your home. What are the most popular landscaping ideas for a country house? Plant a variety of native plants and trees. Create an outdoor living space with a patio, seating area, and fire pit. Incorporate a water feature such as a pond, fountain, or waterfall. Install a stone walkway or path. Add a vegetable or herb garden. Create a wildflower meadow. Install outdoor lighting. Install a pergola or arbor. Add a rock garden. Install a fence or trellis. What are the benefits of landscaping a country house? Landscaping a country house has many benefits, including enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the property. Landscaping can add beauty and charm to the property, making it more attractive and inviting. Increasing the property's value. Landscaping can increase the value of the property, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Improving the environment. Landscaping can help to reduce water runoff, improve air quality, and provide habitat for wildlife. Enhancing the outdoor living space. Landscaping can create outdoor living spaces such as patios, decks, and gardens, making the property more enjoyable and functional. Reducing noise pollution. Landscaping can help to reduce noise pollution from traffic and other sources. Enhancing privacy. Landscaping can provide privacy and seclusion from neighbors and passers-by. What are some tips for creating a beautiful landscape for a country house? Choose native plants and trees that will thrive in the climate and soil of your area. Create a plan for your landscape design that takes into account the size of your lot, the amount of sunlight, and the type of soil. Include a variety of plants and trees for visual interest and to attract wildlife. Incorporate hardscaping elements such as pathways, patios, and retaining walls to add structure and texture to your landscape. Create a focal point in your landscape design, such as a water feature or a garden sculpture. Include seating areas for relaxing and entertaining. Add lighting to highlight your landscape design at night. Include low-maintenance plants to reduce the amount of time you need to spend on upkeep. What are the best plants to use for a country house landscape? The best plants to use for a country house landscape depend on the climate and soil conditions of the area. Some popular options include evergreens such as juniper, holly, and boxwood, flowering shrubs such as azaleas, rhododendrons, and hydrangeas, and ornamental grasses such as fountain grass and pampas grass. Additionally, trees such as maples, oaks, and willows can provide shade and a sense of grandeur to the landscape. What are some creative ways to incorporate outdoor lighting into a country house landscape? Install string lights along pathways and around trees to create a magical atmosphere. Use wall-mounted lights to highlight architectural features of the house. Place solar-powered lights along the perimeter of the property to create a perimeter of light. Install post-mounted lights along the driveway to provide a warm and inviting entrance. Hang lanterns from trees or from the eaves of the house to create a cozy atmosphere. Place ground-level lights around flower beds to add a subtle glow to the landscape. Install spotlights to highlight a special feature such as a fountain or sculpture. Use uplighting to create a dramatic effect on trees and other tall features. What are the most important elements to consider when designing a country house landscape? Climate. Consider the climate of the area when designing a landscape for a country house. Select plants and trees that are suitable for the local climate and will thrive in the area. Functionality. Design a landscape that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Consider the needs of the homeowner and how they will use the space. Privacy. Country houses often require a certain level of privacy. Incorporate trees, shrubs, and other plants to create a sense of privacy and seclusion. Lighting. Proper lighting is essential for a country house landscape. Incorporate lighting fixtures that will provide both safety and ambience. Drainage. Make sure that the landscape is designed with proper drainage in mind. Poor drainage can lead to water damage and flooding. Maintenance. Design a landscape that is easy to maintain. Choose low-maintenance plants and materials that will require minimal upkeep. How can a country house landscape be made more sustainable? There are many ways to make a country house landscape more sustainable. Some of the most common approaches include planting native species of plants and trees. Native species are better adapted to the local climate and require less water and maintenance than non-native species. Installing rainwater harvesting systems to capture and reuse rainwater for irrigation and other uses. Incorporating permeable surfaces such as gravel or permeable pavers to reduce runoff and allow water to seep into the ground. Creating a composting system to reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. Installing solar panels to generate renewable energy. Planting hedges and other windbreaks to reduce the impact of wind on the landscape. Incorporating green roofs and living walls to reduce energy costs and improve air quality. Installing water-efficient irrigation systems to reduce water usage. Utilizing organic fertilizers and pest control methods to reduce the use of harmful chemicals. Creating wildlife habitats to attract beneficial insects and birds. What are some ways to make a country house landscape more inviting? Add a patio or deck with comfortable seating and outdoor lighting. Install a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. Add a water feature such as a pond, fountain, or waterfall. Incorporate a vegetable or flower garden. Add a pathway or walkway with attractive landscaping. Include a seating area with a pergola or gazebo. Install a hammock or swing set. Add a play area with a sandbox or playhouse. Include a bird bath or bird feeder. Add a trellis or arbor with climbing plants. In conclusion, landscaping a country house can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. With the right planning and design, you can create a beautiful outdoor space that will be enjoyed by your family and friends for years to come. From simple flower beds to elaborate outdoor kitchens, there are plenty of ideas to choose from to make your country house look its best. With a little bit of creativity and some hard work, you can create the perfect outdoor space to enjoy for years to come. Help the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Leave a comment.